Hi, I'm Tommy with Tommy Homes, and welcome back. On this channel, we take a deeper look at Phoenix, Arizona, so you can understand the homes, the lifestyle, positioning, and how there is long-term value behind each area. Today, we're focusing on one of Central Phoenix's most established and consistently desirable corridors, the Biltmore. The Biltmore offers a rare combination of central access, mountain proximity, executive housing, and walkable luxury. It is anchored by historic resort architecture, surrounded by mature landscaping and established residential streets, and supported by a strong financial and dining presence. In this video, we're going to take a thoughtful look at what defines the Biltmore, from the residential character to the lifestyle amenities, and why this corridor continues to stand out in the Phoenix market. If you enjoy thoughtful, strategic breakdowns of Phoenix neighborhoods, be sure to subscribe. Soon, we'll also be covering areas like Camelback East and North Gateway so you can compare different parts of the valley and determine what fits your goals best. All right, now let's dive in. The Biltmore and Paradise Valley hubs blend rich history, financial hubs, and luxury living, all in the center of the city. They're in some of the most refined markets in the valley. They are also located near some of the best shopping and dining the valley has to offer. I'm Tommy with Tommy Homes, and I'm your guide to loving and living in Paradise Valley and the Biltmore corridors. This corridor works beautifully for executives, professionals, and buyers who value central prestige. It's ideal for frequent travelers, corporate leaders, and those who want luxury without suburban isolation. If you're looking for entry-level pricing or large master-planned communities, this likely isn't your match. But if you want central luxury, geographic scarcity, and long-term positioning, this corridor remains one of Phoenix's strongest. In the communities just outside the Biltmore, you will notice that density decreases and the space increases. You'll find mature trees, homes that are set back, and gated communities, all very prestigious and high-end lifestyle living. As we move east toward the Paradise Valley border, lot sizes expand. This corridor offers estate-style homes that sit just outside official Paradise Valley limits, often at slightly more accessible price points while maintaining proximity to the same mountain backdrop and resort corridor. These properties appeal to buyers who want space, privacy, and long-term positioning without fully entering Paradise Valley tax structures. For buyers who travel frequently or simply don't want yard maintenance, the condo inventory near the Biltmore is strong. Lock and leave living works beautifully here because everything you need is within minutes. As we move just north of the Biltmore corridor, one of the area's most defining natural landmarks comes into view, Piestewa Peak. Piestewa Peak sits within the Phoenix Mountains Preserve and rises to approximately 2,610 feet, making it the second highest point in Phoenix after Camelback Mountain. For many residents of the Biltmore area, this is their backyard. The most well-known route here is the Summit Trail, often referred to as Trail 300. It's about 1.2 miles one way, gaining roughly 1,200 feet in elevation. It's considered strenuous with a steady incline and rocky footing, but it's one of the most popular hikes in the city because the views at the top are expansive and unmistakably Phoenix. For those looking for something more moderate, the preserve also offers connecting trails like the Freedom Trail, which loops around the mountain and provides a less intense option while still offering desert scenery and skyline views. What makes this important in the context of the Biltmore is proximity. For much of the residential core, you're only minutes from trail access. That means weekday sunrise hikes, quick evening walks, or weekend fitness routines are easily integrated into daily life. And this is part of what stabilizes demand in this corridor. When you combine central freeway access, established residential streets, financial hubs, and immediate access to preserved desert mountain space, you create a rare balance. There is limited land surrounding protected mountain preserves. That geographic constraint naturally reinforces long-term desirability. For many Biltmore residents, Pistewa Peak isn't just a hike, it's part of the lifestyle. As we step to the Piestewa Peak area, you'll see that this location is very geographically well located. It's right in the middle of the city, and we are in between two iconic mountains, Camelback Mountain and Piestewa Peak. Now, the neighborhoods surrounding these mountains are very few because it is a preserve, so there's very little homes for sale, and that helps with stability for the market in these areas. Before I get into explaining more about living in the Biltmore area and its positioning, if you're liking what you're seeing, please subscribe to our channel and drop in the comments what you'd like to see me break down for you next. So now we're at Biltmore Fashion Park, and here you'll see that it's a lot of high-end dining, coffee shops, really fine clothing stores, a lot of fun things to do here, a lot of outside eateries. It's just a really nice, relaxing space. They even have a huge gym located here, and it's right in the middle of the city. So if you live in the Biltmore area, this is right outside your door. This corridor sits along the SR 51 spine, placing you roughly 10 to 15 minutes from downtown Phoenix, Scottsdale, and Sky Harbor Airport. When markets shift, buyers prioritize central access, institutional anchors, and established prestige. This area checks all three. It's not trend-driven growth, it's embedded positioning. This corridor feeds into a mix of Madison School District and Paradise Valley Unified, depending on exact boundaries. Madison District, in particular, is highly sought after in Central Phoenix due to its academic consistency and central positioning. School boundaries here directly influence housing demand, and buyers pay attention to that. This corridor has held its position for decades. If quiet luxury and executive-level living near the mountain preserve is something you're looking for, then Paradise Valley and the Biltmore corridors are ideal for you. If you're exploring different parts of the valley, check out our guides here, and you can compare how they differ in tone and proximity here in the valley. And when you're ready to make a move, please reach out to me and my team. We would love to guide you. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of what living in the Biltmore truly offers. Every area in Phoenix has its own personality, and the Biltmore continues to stand out for its central positioning, established character, and long-term strength. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming neighborhood breakdowns. I'll be covering other parts of the valley so you can compare areas and determine what aligns best with your goals. If you have specific questions about the Biltmore, whether you're considering buying, selling, relocating, or simply exploring your options, I'd be happy to connect with you directly. You can reach me at 602-405-7941 or email me at tommy@tommyhomes.com. You can also visit tommyhomes.com to access buyer and seller guides, explore current listings throughout the Phoenix area, and learn more about how we guide our clients through each step of the process. Thank you for spending time with me today. I'll see you guys next time.